Power BI, though powerful, can sometimes feel like a maze, especially when it comes to creating insightful visualizations. Well, worry no more. Today, you'll learn how to create stunning visualizations in Power BI with ease. We have to check the given precondition, require test data, and follow below steps with corresponding expected result. Precondition: Power BI Desktop is installed. Data is loaded into PowerBI Desktop. Test data: use a sample dataset with categorical and numerical data. Step 1. Open Power BI Desktop. Power BI should be open. Step 2. In Power BI Desktop, navigate to Get Data and click on the Get Data button. Folder should be open to select the dataset. Step 3. Choose a data source, for example, Excel, CSV, SQL Server. Select the dataset. Step 4. Load the data into Power BI. Dataset should be loaded. Step 5. Drag and drop a bar chart visualization onto the canvas. Choose the clustered bar chart or any other bar chart type based on your preference. Step 6. Drag this numerical field to the values well in the visualization pane. In the fields pane on the right, find the numerical field that you want to visualize on the bar chart. Step 7. Drag the categorical or date field that you want to use for grouping or categorizing the data to the axis well in the visualization pane. In the fields pane on the right, find the categorical field that you want to visualize on the bar chart. Step 8. Same for line chart. In the visualizations pane on the right, click on the line chart icon. Line chart should be displayed on the canvas. Step 9. Choose a numerical column, for example sales, revenue, to represent on the x-axis. Drag the chosen numerical column to the values field well. Selected field should be displayed on x-axis. Step 10. Choose a date or time column for the y-axis. Drag the date or time column to the axis field well. Selected field should be displayed on y-axis. Step 11. Same for creating a pie chart. Click on the pie chart to select it. Pie chart should be displayed, and in the visualizations pane you can customize various aspects of the chart such as colors, labels, and legend. Step 12. Drag the categorical field you want to use for the pie slices into the values well in the visualizations pane. Categorical data should be displayed on the pie chart. Step 13. Drag a numerical field that represents the size of each category into the values well as well. Numerical field is displayed on the pie chart. The pie chart will automatically be created in the report canvas. Share your thoughts in comment section below.